Hello friends, this is me Azmeen and welcome you all to my channel The Glam Mom. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do chicken sausage bread rolls in a quick and easy way. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay friends, so to start with, we need some chicken sausages, oregano and mixed herbs, some butter, barbecue sauce. So I am using this American Garden. You can use even the Indian one. You get it in Viva. And some sliced bread. Okay, so now in the non-stick I've poured some oil and we are going to fry these sausages. I don't like my food very oily, so I usually prefer a non-stick to do it, so we can just fry it in a little bit of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm going to put in all the sausages. So this will take probably around 3 to 4 minutes. So let it fry nicely. So if you see now, they are practically done. So I'm going to just switch off the gas and take them out in a clean plate. Now we are going to take the bread and cut off the sides of it. Now I'm going to take each sliced bread and roll it with a rolling pin and make it absolutely flat. Then I'm going to put in barbecue sauce. And some oregano and mixed herbs. I'm going to put the sausage in the middle. About 1.5 sausage in each roll. And I'm going to roll it up nicely. Press it with my hand. It's stuck. In the similar way, I'm going to finish all these. Okay, so I have made all these rolls off camera. And now we are going to take the pan. I'm going to put in some butter. Let the butter heat and then I'm going to put these rolls inside and let them shallow fry. See that the bread will change its color. That's when you know that it's done. See, it's changing color. Do it from all the sides, all the 4 sides. I'll just add a little more of butter to it. And it's done. So now we're going to take this out in a plate and ready to serve. So I'm just taking a quick plate and I'm going to serve it on it. My rolls are ready and I'm going to now garnish it with some sweet chili sauce and some oregano. You can also add chili flakes or any other herbs, but I'm not doing that because my daughter is going to have them. So here it is. Do try it at home. Okay friends, so if you've liked my video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications of all my upcoming videos. Also, do leave in all your valuable comments so that I can read them and respond to it. Okay then, see you until next time.